Let's solve this question. A trapezium PQRS of perimeter 30 units has side SR parallel to PQ, while side SP is perpendicular to both of them. Right? There is a trapezium. Perimeter of this trapezium is given as 30 units, and its side RS and PQ are parallel sides, and its non-parallel side SP is perpendicular to both of them, right? So if side SR is given as 9 units, side PQ is given as 12 units, then area of this trapezium is, easy question, we have to find the area of trapezium, right? So let's just draw the figure first. So it is given that SP is perpendicular to both of them. So I'm considering this line to be SP. Also it is given that between these two parallel lines SR and PQ, PQ is longer. So I'm considering this side to be PQ. This is PQ, right? And it would be SP, and which is perpendicular. I know PQ and SR are two parallel lines. So SR would be this line, and it is a non-parallel side. So PQRS. This is the diagram for this trapezium, right? Dimensions are SR is given as 9 units. Also, length of PQ is given as 12 units, right? And SP is perpendicular. Nothing is given, but it is given that perimeter of this trapezium is 30 units. Now, whenever the situation is that SP is perpendicular, right? So just drop the perpendicular on opposite side from this vertex R, right? Now observe carefully that this length, I'm calling this point as ZT, this length PT would be equal to 9, and because this whole length PQ is 12 and this PT is 9, so it would be 3, right? It would be 3. Also, the perimeter of this trapezium is given as 30 units, and the sum of parallel lines is already 12 plus 9, it is equal to 21. So the sum of these two non-parallel sides, that is SP plus RQ would be how much? 30 minus 21, because 30 is the perimeter. So the sum of these two sides must be equal to 9. Now observe carefully. We don't have to assume any variable. Just use the smart approach. I know this side is 3 and it's a right angle triangle. So try to fit in the Pythagorean triplets with one side as 3. So 4 and 5, let's see 4, 5 fits. I know the sum of these two sides, SP and RQ, is 9. So SP, I know, is parallel and equal to RT. So the sum of these two sides is 9. And one side is 3. So yes, it would be 4 and it is 5. Pythagorean triplet. So now I know the height of this trapezium. Also I know the sum of two parallel sides. So I can easily find the area of this trapezium. Area would be half into sum of parallel side, that is 12 plus 9, 21 into height, which is 4. So it becomes 42 square units. So correct answer would be option C.